we'll guide you through how to export a DXF file from Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop and load the design you want to export. Make sure your design is ready and any layers or objects are grouped as needed for a clean export. Now, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save, as this will bring up the Save dialog box here. You'll want to choose the location where you want to save your file, and importantly, in the Save as Type dropdown, select AutoCAD DXF R14. This is crucial because it ensures compatibility with most CAD programs. Once you've selected DXF, click Save. A new dialog box will pop up with DXF export options. In this dialog, you can choose to use ROBO master type of spline output if you're dealing with curves, as it maintains the integrity of your design's curves. You can also choose to use LW polyline type output for line-based designs, which is often recommended for precise line work. Make sure the base unit is set to the measurement system you've used in your design, typically millimeters. Double check these settings before hitting OK, as incorrect settings can cause scaling issues. Once you press OK, your file will be exported as a DXF, ready to be used in CAD programs or sent to a CNC machine. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check that your design is properly scaled and that all elements are compatible with the DXF format. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.